in the January batch DEV, create app3 folder. So please observe operator, double equals operator, left operand, right operand, left operand, right operand, left and right. So quantity same, you will be getting a true. Quantity same, you will be getting a true. As quantity is very same, you will be getting a true. All three are getting a true. Double equals operator, both together. Don't give a space in the middle. Let us compile and run. You are getting false. The reason behind is left operand not same as right operand. Left operand not same as right operand. Please observe. You are getting a false, false, false. Boolean operator, comparison purpose. Left operand comparing with right operand. If both are not same quantity, if both are not same quantity, you are getting a false. You are getting a false. Let us move to another. Everybody, I am choosing class name as a C. Go for 100. This time not equal. There is a not symbol. Not equal. We are comparing for inequality. Control J. Inequality. 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 Please compile and run. Inequality. Not and equal, both should be together. We are looking for unequal. We are looking for unequal, but left operand is same as right operand. That is why you will be getting a false. Class name E. This also comparison, but it is like a bigger or smaller. Comparison is bigger or smaller. Greater than symbol, comparing for bigger or smaller. Again, you will be getting Boolean only. It is mainly for comparing left operand with right operand. Based on left side quantity, right side quantity. Based on left side quantity, right side quantity, we are getting a Boolean result. It's very easy. Anybody can able to understand. There is no difficulty at all. Let me go for one more. So please observe 1 double equal to 1. Control J. 1 not equal to 1. Control J. 1 greater than 1. Control J. 1 greater than or equal. Please check it out all. Guys, first three we know very well. Equality, inequality, comparing which one is a bigger. So both are same, you'll get a false. Come on. 1 greater than 1 is a false. 1 greater than 1 is a false. The next one, two things are involved here. We are checking greater than or equality. So two things we can combine together. One is a greater than, other is a equality. So here either greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. If any one is a true, then the whole returns a true. If any one is a true, the whole returns a true. Try compiling and running. Crystal clear. If any one is a true, either greater than is a true or equals is a true. Either greater than is a true or equals is a true, you will be getting a true. Let us compose another example in the same grounds. C class. Let us go for 3 double equal to 3. 3 not equal to 3. 3 greater than or equal to 3. 3 just greater than. 3 or 30. 30 greater than or equal. Let me add 1. These are very simple for the graduate. Try understanding. This is inequality. Both are equal, but we are looking for inequality. You'll get a false. 3 greater than or equal to 3. Equals is there. That is why true. 3 greater than 3. False. Same number, not a greater than same number. Then 30 greater than 3 is a true. 30 greater than or equal. So here greater than is a true. Forget about the equals. Any one greater than or equal. Any one should be true. So greater than is true. 1 greater than or equal to 3. Both are false here. 1 is not equal to 3. 1 is not greater than 3. 1 is not equal to 3. 1 is not greater than 3. Guys, understanding should be very concrete way, crystal clear. So both are not true. That is why it results false. 1 greater than 3. There is only one condition, that is false. You will be getting a false. Boolean operators. Guys, these are not at all difficult. 10th standard student also can understand. Here you are learning, developing more programs, become comfortable with Java syntax. Come on, guys. All these things you can understand through a single program. One program is sufficient to understand, but your coding standards you should increase. If you keep on developing more programs, you will become more comfortable with the coding syntax of Java. That is very much required. Come to the next one. H class, like a greater than, there is a less than symbol. Comparing with lesser, comparing with a lesser. Check it out. Straightforward, only comparing left operand always should be lesser than right operand. If left operand is lesser than right operand, you will be getting true. Come to the next one. 10 is comparing with 10, you'll get a true. 10 we are comparing lesser than 10, false. Either lesser or equal, anyone. Lesser or equal, anyone. So equal is coming, you'll get true. Very simple, guys. Come to the next one. We know very well about control J. Try using control J extensively to improve the code development. To increase the code development. You are able to develop all? You only. You are able to develop. It's a straightforward, guys. Both we are using comparing greater than, comparing less than, comparing with greater than or equal or less than or equal. Try compiling and running. Using control J extensively, understanding Boolean operators. Done? You got the output. Very good. Let's move to another. So we have seen double equals. We have seen not equal. We have seen greater than. We have seen less than. We have seen greater than or equal, less than or equal. There is a way of using not straight away. Let us see how we can use not straight away. Let us consider true I am printing. I am also printing false. These are straight away. Now select both the lines, control J. You can use not in the before true, not in the before false. Please check it out. You can call this as a logical not. Instead of just calling a not, you can call this as a logical not. Logical not. Whatever the symbol you are using, this is treated as a logical not. Logical not. So not true means false. Not false means true. You can see. Come to the next one. Logical not. Everybody L class. We know 10 double equal to 10. Control J. I will be using not logical not with a bracket. First bracket content will execute. I'll go for not equal. Logical not. Logical not. So please observe. This one we know very well. 10 is comparing with 10. 10 while comparing with 10 you are getting a true. This is resulting a true. Yes or no? True. Same you will be getting a true in this selected portion. Whatever I selected, it is a true or not? Come on. Before true, there is a not. Opposite to true? Is there no? Opposite to true is a false. Come on. This is a false. We are comparing for unequal, but unfortunately both are equal. Come on. This is a false. You'll get a false. See, if we go this selected one, it is a false. Before false, there is a not. True. Yes or no? First equals content. Sorry. Bracket content will be executed. First bracket content will execute. Bracket content will get more preference in the expression. Bracket content will get more preference in the expression. Logical or logical not. Logical not. Logical not. Logical not. Come to the next one. M class. You understood now? $30 greater than 50. $300. Logical not. More practice is required. Come on. Come to the next one. Ten less than 20. Try compiling and running. Everybody, logical and logical not. Logical not. Self-explanatory. logical not. We can also combine multiple booleans. Let's see how. Everybody, I'll go for logical or. Two pipe symbols are logical or. Two pipe symbols. Logical or. Two pipe symbols, logical or. So before this much bigger one, please modify. I'll change a little differently to make it simple. Everybody, first I'll make it very simple. Two pipe symbols, logical or. Logical or. Two pipe symbols, logical or. If any one is a true, the result will be true. If any one is a true, the result will be true. So please check it out whether all are correct or not. Come to the next one. Logical or. Two pipe symbols. I can apply not in front of the boolean. I can apply not in front of the boolean. Logical not. What is the output of this program? Are you able to understand? Logical not can be applied in front of boolean. Straightforward Anybody can able to understand? Anybody finding a difficulty on understanding? Anybody? Logical or logical or you can apply a not before Boolean. Let's see the next one. Everybody. It is always advisable to provide clarity purpose brackets. So whatever logical or is resulting between two operands, for that we are printing opposite one. Come on. Logical or combining two booleans. That combination getting one boolean. For that boolean, we are printing opposite. Yes or no? Logical or. If any one is a true, result will be true. Afterwards, we are using logical not. If it is a true, you get a false. If it is a false, it will be getting a true. So totally combining two booleans with logical or getting a result. For that result, applying logical and logical not first logical or between two operations. Logical or between two operations. The result of logical or getting a not. Logical not. You can easily understand. Understanding or difficult? Anybody confusion? Similarly, logical and. In case of logical and, I'll explain only what is the meaning of logical and. You people try developing 10-15 examples and check it out. Always I prefer self-learning some extent every day. I'll give the meaning of what is logical and try developing minimum 10-15 examples. Try understanding some extent on your own. Then only you will become a software engineer. Logical and means 2 ampersand. 2 ampersand symbols. Now experiment fully. Logical and logical and. If any one operand is a false, the result will be false. Both should be true in order to get a true. Both should be true in order to get a true. If any one is a false, the result will be false. If any one is a false, the result will be false. If any one is a false, the result will be false. If any one is a false, the result will be false. Now you can experiment completely. Everybody with more examples.